Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom clear soup. Start by cleaning and slicing mushrooms, then heat broth with aromatics like garlic and ginger. Simmer gently to extract mushroom flavor without clouding the liquid. Season minimally with salt and a splash of soy sauce for depth. Finish with chopped herbs and a drizzle of toasted sesame oil for aroma and balance. Warm and friendly, I guide you through simple ingredients and techniques to keep the broth clear and flavorful. Measure carefully and avoid vigorous boiling to maintain clarity. Use a gentle simmer and skim any foam that appears on the surface. Taste as you go and adjust salt or soy sauce sparingly. Finish with chopped green onions or cilantro for freshness and a bright lift. Follow these practical steps to build clear, flavorful soup without fuss. Sauté mushrooms lightly to awaken their aroma, then add warm broth to preserve clarity. Keep the heat low and simmer rather than boil to keep the liquid transparent. Skim any impurities and finish with delicate herbs to preserve color and aroma. Serve immediately for the best texture and balance, and enjoy a comforting, light bowl.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.